Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube if it's either lagging or buffering and not playing a video. So let's jump right in. First, if you have the YouTube app open on your iPhone or Android or even a computer, just close out of it and close out of every single other app. The next thing we're going to do is tap on the App Store or Google Play Store, and we're just going to search for the YouTube app to see if there's an update. A lot of times this fixes it just to update it. However, you can see in my case, next to YouTube, it just says open. It doesn't give me the ability to update, which is no problem. All we need to do is hop out of here, and instead of updating it, we're going to tap on the Settings app, again on your iPhone or Android. Tap on General, and then from here, tap on iPhone Storage. We're going to find that YouTube app, and we're going to clear the cache and temporary files. So tap on YouTube here, and then just tap Offload the app, and wait a few seconds, and then tap on Reinstall. This will reinstall the app, force updating it, and it clears out a lot of the cache and temporary files in that app itself. Now, if you go through this process and it still doesn't work, what you're going to do is hop out of here and open up a web browser. There could be an issue with your internet connection. So all you're going to do is type in speed test and tap on speed test and just hit run speed test directly in Google. You can see my internet is fairly fast, but you just need around 10 or 20 megabytes per second, and then you'll be good to go in terms of watching that video. However, if you're still having issues with buffering or lagging, in addition to that, we're going to just type in is YouTube down and tap on is YouTube down and go to down detector here. Essentially, this will show you if YouTube itself is down. So if you see a big spike in reported outages within YouTube, essentially the buffering or lagging is because of YouTube itself. Now, let's say you go through all of these steps and YouTube still isn't working. Take your finger and swipe down from the top right and try just toggling off Wi-Fi and try mobile or cell data instead of your Wi-Fi. And again, if that still isn't working for you, you can always try to just restart your phone or device. All you need to do is press the volume up and side button at the same time, and then just slide to power off your phone and restart it. See if that fixes the issue. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.